Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 5008. In this video I'll show you how to completely fold the seats. If you want to increase the trunk capacity, there is a way to completely fold all seats. In order to do it, take a look at the front seat firstly. Right here we've got this lever. Pull it and simply push the seat. In order to fold back seats, right here we've got this strap. Pull the strap and again you can fold it. Same in the middle and same for the last seat there. You can also fold the seat in the back. Actually, you can hide it inside the trunk. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.